Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 4 and I'm doing something new today. I'm gonna do a clean with me. This is gonna be just a cleanup, tidy up, and small declutter of my filming area, makeup collection, makeup storage, and kind of my everyday vanity where I get ready. It has to be functional for filming, it has to be functional for everyday life. It is kind of a small space because this is just one corner of my office, and I think it's gonna be 3 phases. We're going to organize, then declutter, or declutter and then organize, and then we're going to clean. So like sanitize, dust, all that stuff. Considering I'm filming a lot of videos this month, I really need to be organized and keep my space clean so that I can streamline and shoot videos and produce content and stay on schedule. Having like a clean workspace is vital. I can't concentrate in a cluttered workspace. So I'm gonna set my clock for 30 minutes and let's get started. Okay, first things first, these 2 boxes are for future videos, so I'm just gonna move these out of the way. This big Sephora box is where I keep all of my dirty brushes, and I have a video on how I clean my makeup brushes, but it's starting to get out of hand again. So down here I keep my perfumes, and I keep a little bit of hair care and a little bit of skincare. We have like an eczema cream, makeup remover, sunscreen, then my root spray and my Moroccan oil, and then the rest are perfumes on this turntable. This is from World Market. And then over here I keep brushes and setting sprays, and these 2 I pulled because they're almost empty. Like this one has just a little bit and this one too. So I'm gonna put these out maybe on my work desk so I can spritz myself throughout the day. I also pulled some of these Almay Lip Vibes lipsticks. I looked at my Instagram story archive and I unboxed these 2 years ago, and I liked them at first, but now they're getting a little waxy and the scent is starting to go away. So I think I'm gonna let these go. Alright friends, that is a wrap for my little speed clean. It wasn't like a top to bottom clean, but just enough to get me through the week. I did my timer for 30 minutes. I'm gonna call it a 30-minute clean because I went a little bit over, but like given the time I was moving the camera and lights around, I'd say it was a quick 30-minute clean. It wasn't obvious in the video. I kind of keep my everyday makeup right out on my desk. The stash behind me is more of my extended makeup collection. In this desk drawer, I keep my Project Pan makeup, which I'm almost entirely through for 2020, which is crazy. I keep like press-on nails and things I need throughout the week. I also keep hair clips and headbands, things I use to keep my hair out of my face while I'm doing my makeup. I would love to do another video like this, maybe with the rest of my office, like my workstation. Also, all organization products will be linked down below. Most of my organization stuff is either Muji or HomeGoods. Desk is IKEA, mirror is IKEA. Please subscribe so you don't miss more of Vlogmas, and I'll see you again in my next video.